Today we will discuss chapter 7 of biology, allergy. What are the objective of this chapter? First, concept of allergy. What is allergy? What happens during an allergic reaction? What are allergens? What are the entry routes of allergens? What are the symptoms of allergic reactions? And the last is, what are the types of allergies? So first we will discuss what is allergy. Allergy is the hypersensitivity or unusual reactivity of a body tissue of any foreign substances which cause a physical reaction. Any hypersensitivity occurs in the body, it is allergy. Clear? Now, what happens during an allergic reaction? Right? During an allergic reaction, what is happening inside our body? Why it occurs? During an allergic reaction, several parts of the body's immune systems are activated by the attack of the allergens. Now see, in the first case, lymphocyte cells which are already present in the body produce antibodies, which is a protein. This antibody combined with the allergens release H substances which brings various allergic reactions. Right? Now, in second case, lymphocytes attack the allergens without making antibodies. Here, antibody is necessary. It produces antibodies, but here it attacked directly with the allergens without making antibodies. The result of all these actions is called inflammatory response, which is responsible for sneezing or a rash, coughing. Is it clear to all? Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to discuss chapter 7 of biology, allergy. The objectives of the day are: what are the entry routes of allergens and what are the symptoms of allergic reactions. These two topics we will learn today. Now, the first is entry routes of allergens. Before this topic, we should know what are allergens. Allergens are the antigens, means proteins, which includes dust, pollens, certain foods, drugs or fur. Allergens may be inhaled, ingested, applied to the skin or injected into the body by an insect sting. When allergens are entered into the body, they may travel to other parts of the body and provoke the symptoms that are remote from their point of entry. The entry points of these allergens are when allergens that come in contact with the skin cause reddening, itching and blistering. This condition is called contact dermatitis. Allergens that are in air can enter into the body through nose, causing asthma, hay fever. Allergens are found in food also. So allergens in food can enter the body through mouth. These allergens can cause itching and swelling of the lips, throat and also cause diarrhea. The symptoms of allergic reactions are the next topic. What are the symptoms of allergic reactions? At mild allergic reactions, it causes sneezing, nasal congestion, rashes on the body parts, red eyes. At a moderate reactions, it causes abdominal pain, vomiting, swelling of face, eyes or tongue. Thank you.